Now riding with Psycho Realtor, aka JAYSHAKUR, the real estate connoisseur. We are back in Daytona Beach, Florida, the world's most famous beach, en route to check out a home here. This should be, I believe they said there would be an open house here today, but we're gonna find out. Intersection of Nova and International Speedway Boulevard. For those of you who have not had the pleasure of visiting Daytona Beach, ISB is kind of the main drag. International Speedway Boulevard is kind of the main drag. Takes you from the interstate over to the area beaches. Across the way there you see Tuscaloosa Park. Great place to go hang out, maybe light the grill, let the dog run around, or just sit back and chill, you know. Daytona's kind of a weird town, you know. It gets real busy and then it kind of dies down. Busy for the events that take place here, namely Bike Week, Race Week, and Spring Break. Those events alone just bring in hundreds of thousands of people annually. And in fact, I think Daytona makes the lion's share of its revenue with those events. Lion's share of its annual revenue, that is. So cool little town. Of course, you have the schools here: Daytona Beach College. You have Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. You have Stetson University just down the road in the land. About an hour and a half south of Jacksonville. Maybe about an hour northeast. I'm sorry, an hour northeast of Orlando. If you find that there's just not enough going on in Daytona Beach for you. Those two cities are a relatively short drive away. Just kind of shut up a minute here and let you guys kind of have a look around. Not far. It says we're about a couple of minutes away. This is Bellevue Avenue. You head down that road, that'll take you to one of the schools I mentioned, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, one of the country's top aviation schools. I think they're actually number one as far as aviation schools go. Right here. Kids come down and learn how to fly airplanes and fix airplanes. Have some pretty top-notch airframe and power plant programs for those students who might be interested in working on planes. And then they also have a pretty strong meteorology program. So folks who are just who geek out over the weather, you know. Maybe you send your kid down here and they become a meteorologist. Look at this old school Rolls Royce here. Pretty cool. Yeah. want to say after about bike week here. After bike week, Daytona Beach kind of dies down until it picks up again. That said, there's kind of like a few months of just lull time where, several months of lull time where there isn't much happening. I think the locals like it that way too. Cuts down on all the noise. I think that's a house here. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is it. Looks pretty solid. 1022 Clearwater Road and Daytona Beach. Doesn't look like much of an open house is happening here, but we'll find out what's going on. Give you a quick walk around the property, a quick tour of the inside, and we'll be out of here. Be with you in a moment.
All right, here's a look at this 1022 Clearwater Road in Daytona. 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. We've got 1,170 square feet. As we enter, kind of walk through the living room there, and then here's a peek at your kitchen. Property's recently been fully remodeled. I believe top to bottom. I think this one actually has a new roof on it. Split floor plan. I always have a hard time saying that. Split floor plan with the master bedroom on one side and the rest of the bedrooms on the other. So you can kind of separate yourself from the other members of your family, maybe the little ones or the in-laws. There's probably a coat closet here. Oh, no, that's gonna be your air handler. Yes, there isn't a coat closet. Anyway, so you've got that one bedroom there. You've got your guest bath on this side. And this better be a linen closet here. And I believe it is. Yeah. Great. So you got your guest bath, your linen closet, and your three remaining bedrooms back here. Okay. Again, fully remodeled, recently painted, new flooring, new everything in here. Smells like fresh paint when you walk in here. The owners did a really nice job with it. Let's look at that last bedroom. Okay. We'll come back out and we'll take a quick peek outside. Nice concrete patio area for your grill, should you choose to. I don't know if you can see here, but this is kind of your utility room. Maybe we can go through the kitchen there, but your washer and dryer. So that's going to be your laundry area there. And a peek at the backyard. And overall, the rear of the home. Very nicely done, just off of Nova Road in Daytona Beach, which pretty much gives you access to everything. I mean, really. Oh, there's another main artery in Daytona. promised you guys a look at that utility room there. So let's take a peek. Here's your laundry, washer, dryer, hot water heater. So again, this place is very well done. And that's going to do it for 1022 Clearwater Road in Daytona Beach. This home is brought to you by Nayris Paradas of Athens Realty Professionals. I am Psycho Realtor, also known as JAYSHAKUR, the real estate connoisseur. You can reach me at 407-276-2275 or jayshakur@live.com. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.